If you ever travel to Southeast Asia, Thailand, Philippines, maybe Cambodia, at least once during your trip, you saw a toilet like this. You saw a toilet like this. This is called, here in Philippines, this is called taboo. Is what they use for showering. And,
Tabo.
okay, tabo. Okay, and that's a toilet that you know what it's for. So I can survive taking shower with a bucket. It's not a big deal if it's hot outside. The water is fresh. It's quite good. I don't mind. I can survive with the toilet paper. That doesn't look so good, but I can survive with that. I can even survive throwing the water from the bucket to the toilet paper to the toilet to flush. But what I cannot survive with is like, how do you do after taking a big load of shit? So I want to learn from a Philippine person. This person is from Philippines. She is like 55 years old, so she has been living with this toilet situation for her whole life. And I want to learn how you do professionally in your whole life with the toilet paper that doesn't exist. How you do?
First, if you want to survive, you have to use the water. All you need to do is just put water,
To flush.
After you flush,
Okay.
you have to put somewhere to clean your ass. Okay? That's how you do it. And of course, you have just to, you know how to do it. You have to wipe it with water. Something like that.
Something like that. Something
And then
like
of
that's not
course-
very specific. Like I want to understand how does it work, because people get food poisoning, people get sick, people have different size of shit, like this size. Sometimes it's even liquid, sometimes it's even like a pasta. So how do you do in those awkward situations?
For safety purposes, you need to have a soap. Okay?
Okay.
After.
Okay.
Yes.
So you take a big load of shit, then you get the soap on your hand, and then you just like.
Yes, something like
And
that.
what you do? What
And
do you
need to
do?
have a lot of water, of course.
And what do you do with the soap after that? I must tell you, like, I just threw away 2 big soaps because they were disgusting. I could not shower with them. Like, I went to the toilet, I did the number 2. There is
And then-
no toilet paper, just like a bucket with water and my big son. My big son. So I flushed it. Okay, we were fine, but I still have some remainings in my ass. So I tried to throw water in all different positions. I could throw water on myself, like this. All different positions I could throw water on myself.
There's a way in how to do
And
it.
then
You
like
cannot
this,
put, you
like
cannot put a towel
this,
here.
like this. All the possible ways I tried to throw water on myself, but still dirty. So after a while,
Okay,
I just use this, and I think I will never eat with my right hand ever again. I will
No.
never eat with this. Ooh, it's not good. So I just use this, and then it's fucking dirty after that. But I have soap. I wash with soap a lot of time, but still dirty. So I shove the soap inside my ass. And the soap goes outside looking like mud ball or I don't know. You know, a snowball made of mud or something like that. And then I put water in the soap, but still smelling very bad. So I threw the soap away in the toilet. I flushed the soap with the water, and I get a new soap. And I repeat the process ever and ever again, 3 times until my ass got clean. When finally my ass got clean, I need to shower for the rest of my body because I'm feeling disgusted of myself that time. So, I mean, even you like wasting tons of soap every day, or you're having a problem with your hygiene. I don't know.
You doesn't know how to do it. There's a technique on how to do it. You cannot put your hands here.
Okay,
and
so-
do that. So there must be something you need to.
So today we learned that it's a like complicated process to take a shit in Philippines. But as she said, like it's a very difficult process. You're not going to learn like listen one time. So better we watch by ourselves. Let's have a live presentation on how to do this. Please come to the toilet. So she's going to teach us how a professional Filipino does.
So,
This is the very same toilet I just get disgust of myself.
yes.
Okay,
So
so
after you, after you.
no, go to the position. Stay in position, please. Okay, yeah. You just
Yes.
finish like taking
Finish.
a.
After
Okay,
you finish, you have to flash.
okay, you flash. Okay,
Have to flash.
very good. I think everybody understood it.
Now,
Okay,
you know that there you have a dirty
S.
ass, right?
Okay,
So the first thing you have to do is just you do like that,
you got
the
this.
water,
Yeah.
and you have to.
Please, this is like
You have to clean your ass.
how?
Okay?
That's a how. That the question is how.
Oh my god.
You don't need to take off your clothes. Just show us.
Yes. So you have to do it with this water. You have
Okay, you have water in the
There's
bucket.
some water. There must be running water at the back of your ass.
So you put water on your back and let it like
Yes, it's like running water. It must be a lot of water
on your back.
on your back, and you have to wipe also with the left.
So after you wipe with your left hand,
You have to make it sure it's clean after.
so you put your left hand in the water
No.
to clean your left hand.
No. No. You have to do that, and after you do that, you have to clean, and after have some soap and soap. And you also put this something.
So how
Also
to do
soap.
this in a public bathroom where there is no soap?
So if you are in a public bathroom, you need to have a tissue.
So if you are in a public bathroom, we should have a tissue.
Yeah.
Okay,
Is that
so public bathrooms are better than home bathrooms because they have tissue.
Yes.
Okay, that
Yeah.
was very good. Thank you, Emmy, for teaching us this very useful technique for taking shit in Philippines.